Hey, what's up guys? Carlo here with another copywriting tutorial. Today we're gonna talk about a really important topic that every copywriter and every online business owner have made in the past. So I bet if you have written anything for your business or if you're a copywriter, you have done this in the past, and it's basically just talking about you. Hear this, no one cares about you. That's the harsh truth. The clients don't really care about you, they care about themselves. Think about the last time that you bought some shoes. You went to the store, you saw the shoes, and you started imagining yourself with the shoes, right? Like, how is your life gonna look like with that shoes, with that offer, with that business? How is this gonna help me? Because we're always thinking about ourselves, right? We don't really care about the company. We just care about what are the results that am I gonna get. And in the copy world, we tend to write a lot about us, right? We see a lot of companies. So if you see your copy, you see your webpage for your business, and there's a lot of these words probably: I, we, our company, us, this and this, and we're always talking about us, about who we are, because somehow we think that we need to tell people who we are, which is true, but we keep talking about us and us and us and us, and that creates a separation between you and the client, because you're always telling like, yes, we have 30 years of experience and we have worked with this and this and these clients, which is important, but they're gonna drift off. They're gonna think about like, yeah, how is this gonna help me out? So a better approach, a more efficient approach, is to stop doing this and start talking more about you, the client. What are you gonna get with this? So I'm gonna show you a really typical example we see out there. Like these guys, they say like, welcome to social media coaching. We are dedicated to serving our customers. We have been focusing on quality services for years and have dictated stuff to help fulfill your social media needs. Our team is focused on quality coaching and delivering great training. We aim to serve your customers' needs, blah 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 blah, yada yada yada. Right? They're always talking about themselves, which you obviously need to do, but don't overdo it. Just don't talk just about yourself, because people are gonna get bored. And remember, getting bored equals no sales, equals scrolling down, equals just falling into the void of unseen copy and unseen companies, right? So a better approach in this example will be like, it's actually more simple than it appears. Chances are that you are doing this wrong. So we are gonna show you exactly how to increase the conversions by simply placing the landing page where it should be. This little placing hack will let you top your competitors, increase your conversions, and direct people to the right place. All these improvements come from simply placing the link in a different place. And this is just the first thing that we teach in our company. You see, we are first talking about them and we're giving some value. So you first need to give some value. Tell them like, hey, if you're struggling with this and this is my audience, we're gonna help you with this. You're already giving them some value. Like, your problem is in the landing page. The problem is in your funnel. And a really nice way to improve your funnel right away is this and this. And with our product, you are gonna be able to do this, right? So you're giving them that. So people's always thinking, what's in it there for me, right? You need to help them create this mental image. Like, this guy is seeing the shirt and he's imagining himself with the shirt and everyone looking at him, right, with the shirt, because we are always making these mental images. I also talk about how to create mental images in the previous video, so if you want to check it out, go ahead. So rather than telling people, I want to tell you something here, you could say, here's something you need to know. You see how it sounds better? If I tell you guys, I need to tell you something, or I tell you, here is something that you need to know, you feel like, okay, I need it, right? Myself, I'm gonna get benefit from this. So stop talking about you and stop trying to fill their needs, their problems, and their desires. At the end, people just wanna fulfill their own things, and they're gonna get bored if you keep talking about you and yourself. At some point, you could tell, like, yes, our company does this, but first, give some value and talk more about them, about the person. See your copy, see your company, and see how much do you guys use I, we, me, and ours, and change it to you, because at the end of time, people only care about themselves, and that's the harsh truth. So if you want to sell more, if you want to persuade more and make more profit, you need to talk more about the client and what is he gonna get. This is a really simple but really powerful tip that you need to do. If you have written anything for your online business, I bet you have fallen into this trap, into the I trap, because we are used to talking about ourselves and we think that we need to do it because people, to build rapport, right? Like, yes, we need to tell them who we are and who we are, but isn't the way that you say it, that you write it mostly, because obviously you need to talk a little bit about yourself, but don't overdo it, and tell them first why should they be there, why should they pay you attention, and what are they gonna get from this. Okay, so really cool trip, apply it. If you want to see more of these free trainings in the video, click subscribe down below. If you want to take it to the next level, you know what to do. Crucial Copy Skills ebook, where I'll teach you more of these skills. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one, peace.